Model, 2014 Mitsubishi L200 2.5 4-wheel drive, Barbarian Double Cab LB starts and drives needs head gasket. Body, brown 4x4. Mileage, 152478. MOT, the 6th of April 2025. Engine, 2477 cc 4D56 131st of a kilowatt, EU5C. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Dill pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features, part service history, electric windows, sat-nav, reversing camera, air-con, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.